Shosho, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. So today's decided to send the album review kaMes Music. So i-album amapiano there. I think for the whole year abantu abathanda ipiano besilindele album. So idrophile ngomhla ka-13 September ibizwa ngeLenium. So I think nje title le album yamatcha ne-personality yalo mjida because umjida nje uhambele kuleni yakhe uzenzele i-production yakhe and akenzi ma-interviews ushaya nje i-production kuphela. So I think i-album yakhe is-6 if I'm not mistaken. So i-album iphumile ibizwa ngeLenium, inama-features amaningi. Ukhona uDJ Maphorisa, since siyazi-ke le ntwana esayine under uMaphorisa ku-record label. Ukhona uKabza, ukhona uMawu, obvious beno-Amos banobudlelwano obuningi kakhulu because siyabakhumbula from i-album abokuqala iMambisa babekhona khona le ngoma basinikeza yona le Zaka Zaka Zaka. So Amos ukhona nawo, ukhona I think ukhona more than 2 tracks, ukhona no-Emo, maningi ama-features and ukhona no-Howard. So Howard these days bathi useyibiza ngoLord Wizzy. So khona ingoma akafeaturishe kuzona, even le ngoma le kukhulunywa ngayo amalanga awafani, ikhona lesibili abayenzile no-Howard-ke nawo, so ubiza ngoLord Wizzy-ke. So nje ngithanga nginike isikhathi ngilalele, ano ngizwile inengoma eningi eshisayo, so abantu abaningi bazo-enjoya. But ngifuna nje ukuhighlight lezi ngoma mina ngibona ngathi izoba big makuza i-festive season because siyamazi kuna uMes Music menza umusic, there's iy'ngoma afike zenze like kube khona ey'phophula but maybe after 2 years i-album yakhe isidrophile kube khona one song ezoqhamuka. For example, lezi song akayikhiphe kule album yakhe, not even last year. Lezi album akayikhiphe I think it was 2 years ago. Khona i-album ayekhiphile lapho ethi mina ngi-out e-sharp. So there's a song le ethi sengizwile ino-Youngstana mese iba no-Amos. Leyo ngoma leyo i-pick up late eredweni even namanje isadlala ku-playlist kumhlobo wenene oGagas FM. Iyona ngoma edlala engathi yintsha but i-2 years old. So kule album ngithe mangilalela lezi one song ibizwa ngithi Uzobuya. I think nayo kuzokwenzeka same thing because i-melodic nje ngaleyo ndlela abantu I think abantu abaningi bazo-catch up kuyona lesi because ayikho hype up njengalezi ngomeni. Zikhona ingoma laphana ey'shaya ezizothi nje ma-drop njengamanje zisadlala even eredweni. Like there's one single akayikhiphe last week Ubuhle Bakho le eno-Thuli P. Thuli P kuyathi kusuka umsindo kuthize bembuza ukuthi hayi wenzeni kuleyo ngoma because akekho ama-vocals and siyamazi akekho futhi akasiwuproducer. So but ucredithiwe kuleyo ngoma ukhona inamanye amajida nayo I think ayaproducer i-Akatears lawa. I think nawo abanye abantu esimele sithi ubabheka bayashaya inamba. So nje i-melodic kakhulu, ngizwile eredweni iyadlala futhi ikheshi, abantu abaningi bazoyithanda. But-ke mina ngifuna uqala ngengoma okuyiyona favourite song yami engithe mangiyilalela ngezwa ukuthi yabo le hhayi kuzohleshulwa ngayo. So there is a song ino-Amos no-Emo. So abantu noma ithina abantu noma bengakhuluma but mina ngenza into yami. I think that song uthi ngibheke i-title yakhona ngaze ngibize anginendaba nabo, yeah. So anginendaba nawo, ingoma ino-Amos no-Emo. So iy'ntwana eziwu-2 nje esencane zigude kakhulu kuma-hook lo. So I think ingoma ezoba big kakhulu le album le. There's also another song ethi Konakele inoFelo Latina. I think enye ingoma ezokhahlela kakhulu inoFelo Latina esiba nalo mntwana lo onethalente kakhulu uNiyaphele. Yeah, so uNiyaphele nawo ukhona engomeni eningi. So I think enye ingoma le ezoba big-ke le inoFelo. There's also another song enoniyapheli ibe no-Amos bese iba noMusa Keys. Itaring zodwa zingoma eyodwa. I think le yayideserve music video because lo magama nje ayasenda wodwa. So igama leleyo ngoma iLenium, yona i-album I think inenywe after leyo ngoma. So I think enye ingoma nayo ehlephula kakhulu-ke. Lezi ngoma engithi kule album zishisa bhe, ngibala lapho-ke nayo. There's also another song enoDaliwunga iPunisher. Siyamazi uDaliwunga abafethu uma ehlangene no-Amos kuma-beats akageji, umjida nje uhlezi eshaya into eqondile. Iyona le engizwile nayo. So there's also another song ingathi I think lo siso we-hip hop othi ngibuka igama lakho uzolifunda, uMukudi. Yeah, so there's a song ibizwa nge-Yes Sir. I know ayakhahlela iyaphampa nje futhi ngathi nama-rhymes. I think lo Mukudi lo maybe une-background ye-hip hop. Ngi-enjoyile nayo leyo ngoma le bengade ngayilindele. There's also Imali Ephepha inomlindo the vocalist. Amazi ukuthi umlindo akade anyamalala, so amajita amzamile athi ukumbuyisa kancane amvuse edustini. So enye ingoma nayo I think abantu abaningi bazo-enjoya. Bese kuba neJikeleza, iJikeleza inoniyapheli bese ibe noMawu no-DJ Maphorisa noKabza. So le song ikhuluma nje ngale nto lokuthi yabo iveri lajikeleza la. So mhlampe isimo asivumi but kusasa yabo nawe usazovuka, mhlampe uvukile manje yabo. So mawuse up kubalulekile ukuthi uhloniphe abantu because yabo iveri lajikajika kusho ingoma-ke lo. So I think abantu abaningi bazorelate kuyona because injalo impilo yabo, ama-ups and downs. So there's also another song, Umlilo, yeah, Nobantu Vilakazi. So there's another song ibizwa ngomlilo, ine-beat ethe ukuba different kakhulu, i-production ngathi akuyona ka-Mass Music. Uma uthi ujwayele nje uzwa ama-beats akhe, I think leyo ngoma uzozwa ithe ukuba unique kancane, ithe nanokuphuma kancane esandleni samapiyano, inokuthatha ubuthekno kancane. So I think enye ingoma nayo leyo i-outstanding. And lo sisi lona kudala ngilo ngimbona igama lakhe kwingoma esimnandi, uNobantu Vilakazi. I think omunye umuntu esithi kumnikeza spotlight, nethalente kakhulu. So that's also another great song on the album engizwile. There's also another Ngimoja, yo, ziningi ingoma ezimnandi la, so ngaqala sengibala i-album. So Ngimoja inoNea Pen nayo, enye ingoma nayo I think ikhona kulezi ngoma outstanding. So nje mhlawumbe kule album ngoba I think inama-tracks awu-18, then mase kuba khona i-bonus track eyi-1 ifisa lisho ingoma ka-Oscar Mbo. So bayithathile bazoyifaka kule album le, because namazi ku-Oscar ukuthi umjida uthandwa abantu, uyatrenda naye, so bamthathile bazomfaka la. I think bafuna ama-numbers akhe. So leyo ngoma-ke ingoma yesi-19 because ingoma ziwu-18 kule album. So enye nayo ingoma ezothi ukuthi i-album ibe nengoma ey'ningi nje ey'tight, but abantu I think abasebenze kakhulu i-album uHoward, u-Amos, uNeapheli, u-Emo naye uvela na more than 2 songs. So yeah, ibona abantu angathi bangene engomeni eningi kakhulu. Oh, there's also another amajida la, two star quality, angibazi ukuthi obala, but baphirisha kwingoma eningi nabo. So I think abanye abantu abasebenze kakhulu. Also another song le noSihle Abafana, ngizwile naseRedwini. I think le album abantu abama-music compilers baseRedwini bazoba confused because nalo dlale yakhe ingoma, nalo dlale yakhe. So ziningi ingoma, but the song lady kuyiyona edibanga amalanga awafani because sebedecide ukuthi bemremove or something Soweto. So le esele i-version yakhona, no, it's not making sure. That one is not making sure. So I know yona-ke ingoma nje engathi disappoint album because bese sizwile le no something Soweto binalo vibe, inama-melodic. So le abayenzile le angeke, it's not the one. So nje mangi-rate album ngayinikeza u-9 top 10. So nje le album kahle kahle be-deserve i-total. Ile yangoma nje amalanga awafani. I think u-something Soweto wamoshile amajida, wamoshile umsebenzi wawo, but uMessi bafethu omunye umuntu ekusamele sithi umnike isikhathi sakhe bafethu, simnikeze ama-flowers akhe, saphilisa encwane le ntwana. I think intwana ase-Pretoria eMambisa, ikasi lakhe ilona lelo. So I know, so speaker nawe samsalute umjidi, i-production yakhe outstanding, and i-album yakhe engathi nje engayiphusha le because uyaphuza ukhipha ama-music video. Ngiyakhumbula lezi music video yalesi engizwile yaphuma late, maybe after 1 year. So engathi lena bengazama ukuyiphusha uthola ama-album because siyamazi already, maybe usesebenza kwelandela because umjidi unethalente, ama-beats awasweli. So yeah, so speaker nawe simnikeza u-9 away.